So Modi 3.0 is a reality now. Narendra Modi has officially begun his third term as the Prime Minister of India at the magnificent forecourt of the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Along with Prime Minister Modi, of course, other ministers who took oath, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari, JP Nadda, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and there was a huge round of applause when he also came on the stage, were the first to be sworn in as ministers. Modi cabinet is now ready with 72 ministers. Here's a glimpse of the grand Modi swearing-in ceremony and the coalition government that has come in.
मैं Narendra Damodar Das Modi.
Narendra Damodar Das Modi takes oath as the Prime Minister of India at the magnificent forecourt of the Rashtrapati Bhavan that looked even more grander under a setting sun.
संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा मैं
As President Draupadi Murmu administered oath on Sunday evening, Modi's supporters broke into a loud applause. Modi has become only the second leader after Jawaharlal Nehru to get a third consecutive term. The Prime Minister has picked a team rich in experience. Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari, JP Nadda and Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the senior-most party leaders, were the first to be sworn in as ministers. Nirmala Sitharaman and S. Jaishankar followed, indicating continuity in the core team. In all, 72 ministers were sworn in, 30 cabinet ministers, 5 ministers of state with independent charge and 36 ministers of state, 11 of them from BJP's allies in the NDA. The principal opposition party, the Congress, took part in the oath ceremony. Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar got seats in the front row, sign of their importance in the new scheme of things. Also in attendance were world leaders specially invited to the event. Bangladesh President Sheikh Hasina, Sri Lankan President Ranil Wickremesinghe, Nepal PM Pushpakamal Dahal Prachanda, Maldives President Mohammad Muizzu, Mauritius Prime Minister Pravind Kumar Jugnauth, and Bhutan Prime Minister Shering Tobgay. Industrialists Mukesh Ambani and Gautam Adani, Bollywood stars Shah Rukh Khan and Akshay Kumar added to the celebrity quotient. Modi 3.0 begins on a new pitch. Unlike the previous two stints, the BJP doesn't have majority this time. Narendra Modi, the coalition builder, has taken charge. Bureau Report, India Today.
तीसरी बार इस देश की बागडोर संभालने के लिए तैयार.
So the government at the centre cleared, the swearing-in ceremony has been done and they'll start work today. But Odisha government formation also is in line. Remember, there were some assembly elections also that had taken place. As suspense over Chief Minister's face continues in Odisha, BJP is set to form government in the coastal state on the 12th of June. Now, ending the Biju Janata Dal's over 24 years of rule under outgoing Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, BJP on Sunday appointed Rajnath Singh and Bhupendra Yadav as its central observers to oversee the election of its leader of the MLAs in the Odisha Assembly. BJP will also hold a key meeting with its MLAs to discuss the future strategy in the case.
ये तो हम सबके लिए एक ऐतिहासिक दिन है. पहले बार उड़ीसा में ऐसे शपथ ग्रहण समारोह लोगों के बीच में हो रहा है. इससे पहले जो गवर्नर हाउस के अंदर हो रहा था. तो ये मंशा ऐसा है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जिस प्रकार से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के निवेदन पर जन आशीर्वाद मिला है, तो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के निर्देश से ये कार्यक्रम जनता के बीच में होगा, जनता के साथ होगा और जनता मैदान से होगा. इस प्रकार के ऐतिहासिक दिवस बना जाएगा जिसको सारा उड़ीसा के लोग भाग लेंगे. इस प्रकार का कल्पना है हम लोग का.